Ayan. No? Sige, so Wendy, ikaw na muna. Dalawa lang kayo. Usually kasi kapag nag-speaking test kasi natatakot yung iba, hindi sumasali. Takot. Panood na lang ng video. Basta may mga lalaki natatakot sa speaking. Sige, so Wendy, ikaw na muna ha.
Hmm.
Sige, busin muna yung kinakain mo. Busin mo muna yung kinakain mo. Sige.
Okay. Wait, sir.
Sige, sige, sige.
Okay, sir.
Siyempre, walang choice si Ivy. Pagkatapos mo, si Ivy na talaga. Wala nang choice. Choice. Ready na? Sige. Inom ka muna tubig. Baka mabulunan. Sige, inom ka muna tubig. Baka mabulunan ka. Nakupo.
Okay, sir. Resume.
Okay, sige. So don't forget to answer in 4 or more sentences ha. Sa speaking test, 4 or more sentences talaga tayo. Tapos yung answers mo, dapat related lang lahat sa question. Okay? Related lahat sa question. Alright, let's start. Okay? What's your name, please?
Okay. My name is Wendy. Honestly, I don't know where my name came from, but as I grow older, I realized that I love my name because it came from uh, a movie from
Mhm.
Peter Pan and Wendy, which is a cool movie.
Okay,
I
okay. Alright.
and
And where are you from?
I'm I come from uh, a municipality
Mhm.
in Mindanao, which is one of the richest municipality. It has I think 11 or 10 barangays, and this municipality is named Polomolok, and it has many also tourist spots which I could recommend. There's a lot of flower and garden areas also, and if you want to have to go to the beach,
Mm.
it is more than I think 1 hour. You can already reach a one beach there, and then if you wanted to uh, adventure, um, going to the mountains, you can have a trail going to Mount Matutong, Lake
Mm.
Colon, and other falls
Okay.
if you also like to go there. So
Alright,
that's
alright.
it.
And what do you do?
I currently working as a caregiver here in Israel. I
Mhm.
already working here for 2 years, and I almost have got six employers, I think, exactly to be exact. But then life as a caregiver is very more challenging. But I
Mhm.
don't think it could be my future passion, because my first job is a, medical technologist. So I'm
Mm.
planning to pursue it while I'm still here in Israel.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Okay, first let's talk about music. Right. So, what music do you like?
Okay. Um, I'm not so fond of music uh before, because I love usually love songs.
Mhm.
It makes people reminiscing, feel nostalgic with some point. Um, and sometimes it makes me feel so relaxed. music in the Philippines are also very most popular,
Mhm.
and they love music as well, especially with us Bisaya, because we love to sing, and especially karaoke.
Mhm.
So I think we love music, and so am I.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's great. So, what music do you dislike?
Oh, okay. Uh, I don't like, or I dislike music which is rock music. But then um there's a rock music that I love, but the most dislike is most rock. Because it's more, it could make me feel so uncalm,
Mhm.
and I could not really understand the lyrics of the rock music. But for me, if they are the writer and of that music, they could
Mhm.
really relate. But for me, I could not really appreciate the rock
Mhm.
music.
Okay,
In
okay.
fairness, for them.
All right. So, what's the most popular type of music where you live?
Oh, uh, uh, Polomolok is very diverse uh place, but when it comes to music, there are already um uh adaptive to any kind of music. Maybe I think it's still English music, love music, R&B,
Mhm.
reggae. That's it.
Okay,
Because
okay.
yeah.
So, which music or musician would you like to see in person?
Oh, musician.
Mhm.
I don't think I can really. Mm, maybe if it's local, I think it's. Mm, I could not think any musician. Mm,
Singer or musician?
yeah. Okay. Probably Regine Velasquez.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, because uh, she's called to be a songbird. Her music when I was still young, it's really more popular before, because before people want to have a, what do you call that one, high pitch music. So uh I always keep on hearing the songs of Regine Velasquez, because it's
Mhm.
called a Birit Queen. So I guess I think it would always keep on reminding me of a Birit Queen, but I could not have a talent of have a Birit what do you call that one? Pitch, a high pitch. I don't have a gift of that. So I
Okay,
love to
okay. All right. So,
sing.
do you play a musical instrument?
Unfortunately, I don't have a gift of that
Mhm.
because instruments. I tried a guitar, but guitar instrument do not love me, and also piano.
Mhm.
I tried to enroll, but it makes me more. Uh, it makes me feel boring.
Okay.
So I don't have a talent for music
All right. So,
instruments.
do you think it's better to listen to live music or recordings?
Um, I think I love to experience the live
Mhm.
uh m- music. It's because I when I came here in Israel, I went to I yeah, I went to a live opera with the who played someone who played music,
Mhm.
especially piano, saxophone. So it's
Mhm.
cinematic, I think they call it cinematic. So I feel the the artist, that how he played the piano, and also the saxophone. So when it's recording, you could really not see the artist who played the instruments, but when it's in the live, you really feel the aura of that what do you call that one? Musician or the artist.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. All right, I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. Right. That's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now.
Yes. Explain. Actress.
Okay, 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start. All right, you may start.
Okay. The actor whom I admire is Agamulak. He is a known a veteran actor, and since when I was a child, I always keep on watching his movies. I don't really remember because there's a lot of movies that he is the main actor, but
Mhm.
the movies that though I admire this actor, it's because he is more diverse actor. He could be partner with any love interest, even though it's a comedy, a drama, or a sitcom. I remember he is in a sitcom which is also a Okidokido, which is a very fun, and there you can have a what do you call that one? It's a family sitcom where you can get also a lesson, especially in the family, where
Mhm.
they could interact, they could express how they feel each other, and at the same time they could have a joke with each other. Uh, and one of that character there is Agamulak. And then also he also had a lot of movies, but the movie that I really very interested and until now I could not forget is Kailangan Kita. It's called Kailangan Kita, which is he had a love interest with um, Claudine Barreto, which that movie is he is already older than Claudine. the actress, but he could really, their tandem could really very effective for me. And he had also a lot of actresses or that in the other movies
Mhm.
also. So um I think he is very versatile for me. And this actor is, I researched about him that he's uh, a good son to his mom, and then he's a good father to his children, which is twin, and he's a good husband to her wife, uh, Charlene Gonzalez, I think. Yeah, and then um, also he's a handsome man. And then I'm looking forward again for his coming movie, and I hope I can watch it again.
Okay. All
And
right.
then
That's
I think
already 2 minutes. Okay. Good job. All right. So, malawak yung speaking ni Wendy. Right? Very good. So, walang problema yung speaking test ni Wendy. If you will practice more kasi yung fluency, especially sa part 2. Okay, sa part 2. If you can improve your part 2, may okay naman kasi may ideas ka doon. Kaya lang medyo nag-iisip ka pa ng
wala
sasabihin.
kang wala kang
Oo.
connector, sir.
Oo, nag-iisip
Wala
ka
kang
pa doon
sikas
eh.
connector.
Dapat dire-diretso siya. Pero maganda naman yung speaking test mo. So most likely makaka 6 or 6.5 ka doon. Okay? So pag nag-practice ka pa, baka maka 7 ka pa or higher. Kasi nandun na yung fluency. Konting practice na lang yan. Alright? Oh, good job. Yung topic mo, maganda yung topic mo kasi yung part 2. Actor, kahit sino naman, kahit sino lang. Ha? Kasi ang sabi naman doon, describe an actor or actress. So kahit sino. So pag ganyan, wag niyong pahirapan yung sarili. No? Pili kayo nung madaling makwento. Okay, yung madaling makwento para malis malaman ano kagad madire-diretso yung pagsasalita nyo. Okay? Hindi ka na mag-iisip. Halimbawa, si Keanu Reeves, Tom Cruise, okay, mga ganon para dire-diretso na.
Hindi
Di
ako
ba? Mas
fan, sir.
mabilis.
Random
Ah,
actors lang kasi.
okay. Local, local, local.
Wala akong favorite.
Okay. Kasi mahirapan din yung examiner dyan, pero may mahirapan. Pero kung dire-diretso yung pagsasalita mo, mas maganda talaga yun. Okay? May stoppage kasi nag-iisip ka pa eh kung anong sasabihin mo next. Yung part 1 mo, maganda yung part 1 mo. Maganda yung part 1 mo talaga. Okay, sa part 2 medyo na yung fluency. So, konting practice pa pero okay na yun. Kasi hindi yan 6 to 6.5, mataas na yun eh. Okay? Pero kung mag-medtech ka, 7.0 talaga. Oh.
Next.
Next time, okay. Next time. May next time pa naman. Alright, sige. Good job, good job. Okay? Next. Sino na? Marvin. Marvin. Ikaw na, Marvin. Nasaan to si Marvin? Marvin?
Sir,
Oo.
ako na ba?
Ikaw na. Ikaw na muna.
Pwede
Sige.
skip mo na?
Ikaw na muna. Kasi sabi ni Ivy, siya
Sige,
daw
sige.
last eh. So, pagbigyan
Sige
natin si
na.
Ivy, siya last. Okay?
Ako na.
Sige. So, nanonood ka naman ng videos ng speaking.
Actually, sir, oo. Oo.
Nanonood. Okay, good. Alright. Let's start. Okay? Can I have your name, please?
Good evening once again, Sir Frank and the rest of everybody. Actually, spontaneously speaking is my Waterloo, for your information for all. And I try to myself to be better. And my name is Marvin, and it was a given name by my aunt and the younger sister of my mother. And according to her, it was Will's name that
Mhm.
is referred to the great Lord and shows the kindness and to the birth month of May. And it was given that by beautifully by heart. It also it represents by the people that just like a Gemini. And I am grateful to have that name because it gets simple and can easily to remember.
Okay, that's good.
And yeah,
All right. And where are you from?
Uh, actually, I am born and raised in the small town of Sultan Kudarat in Maguindanao area, particularly in Calamansi Poblacion. And it was a grumpy uh, place or municipality that you can find in the coastal area of Sultan Kudarat. And it was nearby the province of and then we migrated here in Davao City.
Mhm.
Davao City is a city or on the Pearl of Orient. They known as a Pearl of Orient that you can find sweet fruits and you can taste the king of fruits they call durian, and you can also experience the best beaches you can find in Samal City, and most of the people here in Davao City is hospitable,
Mm.
and that's why mostly that you can define or you can define that the place of Davao is magnificent place that you can longing for staying for mostly of the people uh, from the other places.
Okay, okay, that's great. And what do you do?
Currently, I am doing. I am a retail butcher
Mhm.
here in Davao City, and also a meat cutter. My daily task is have the heavenly works. I wake up early in the morning, doing and carrying lift or carrying or lifted the beef carcasses and swine, and doing the chores as a butcher.
Mhm.
Um, I preparing according to the needs and requirements of the per customer every day, and it can also be helped to my colleague also to prepare some carcasses from the other to the wet market also.
Okay, that's good. Let's move on to part one of our speaking test. First, let's talk about jewelry. Do you often
Yo.
wear jewelry?
Actually, I have one. Uh, I'm not often to wear jewelry, but my wife gave me the one because I have a hypoallergenic. That's what called the hypoallergenic, and it will react some allergies that I have in my skin, and probably just like something more dangling, some part that you can wear from guy. I am manly kind of guy that very simple. Uh, I mean, you can see one jewelry is enough for me.
Mhm.
Often to wear jewelry is just like another accessories that you can represent your some social uh, what they call this experiences,
Okay.
and some other part for here in the big cities and key cities of Davao, and wearing jewelries, man wearing jewelries is just like another bogey points, just like something given from the
Okay.
other types of
Okay. Okay. All right. So, what type of jewelry do you like?
mostly my type in jewelry is just like necklace or a ring, because necklace for me is just like representing that the bond or the chain that gives you some value of the integral part of human culture. Sometimes it represents for individual and as a collective identities of a person.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Why do you think some people wear a piece of jewelry for a long time?
I don't think so. For my experience before, some of my friends wearing jewelry since when I was been seeing there, some of my friends for 10 years, uh, they cannot they cannot resist to put off their jewelry because one of the accessories that can found to them aside from the clothes they're wearing, they gives or it helps them uh, giving some personal experiences or just a mix and match for their personalities. And it really helps them to represent their life as uh, one step to the other person.
Mhm.
Basically, I understand some of those people, some of those my friends wearing jewelry, just like uh, need I mean just like interplay personal accessories, just like that.
Mhm. Okay,
I'm
okay.
sorry.
All right, that's good. That's good. Let's move on to part two of our speak and test. Okay. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare
Oo.
so you can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? And the two
Sure.
topic. And there we go. Your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There we go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Uh the person that very interesting that I met before, the old one, is our former president, that is Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He's very kind and very intellectual person, and one of the 16th president, one of the president of the Philippines that gives more outlook for the better Philippines, that the better people of the Philippines. So he represents the good governance here in the Philippines. And one of the kind of very interesting part of this, he changed the life of every Filipino, every Filipinos, and to for those people who abiding the law. And most of it, I met him in the General Assembly meeting, just like Sam say hello. He's a very kind person, and it was his leadership. It just like something and uh, gives me or motivated me just to have to follow him. Actually, he is iconic person for the total world, because most of the leader that admires him because of the kind of leadership he has a tongue, which is the teeth, the strong leadership that he has, a type of person that you can lead to from the very kind of prestigious or something that you can evolve to evolve from down from bad to uh, going to better better country. And Actually, I'm not. I know him very well, very well, but eventually he don't know me because
Mhm.
I'm just a simple man, a simple person here in Davao City, and I always follow. I always follow for in every kind of meeting or you can found in internet. That's why I know him very well, and something that that can gives me some part of an idea to make a leader, to make a good citizen, and every people that here in Davao City follow all aspect of walks of life that you can lead to for your
Okay.
children
All
also.
right. All right. That's already 2 minutes. Okay. Very good. Well, your speaking test is also good. However, there are just some grammar
It's
mistakes.
just yep.
Okay. Grammar mistakes. So don't forget, he is singular, so he doesn't, not he don't.
He doesn't.
Okay. He doesn't. We use
Okay.
does for singular subject. When you say can, if you use can, it's always the base form of the verb. He can find. We can
You can
find.
find.
Okay. Not we can found. Okay, it's always the base form of the verb, the present tense. We can find if you use can. Okay, and then what
You
else?
can.
I think that's the. Oh, okay, this one. Every Filipino, all Filipino, avoid using that one. Generalization in writing and speaking. Okay, because you don't know all Filipinos, right? Do you know all the Filipinos in the Philippines around the world? So you cannot say he changed every Filipino. Oh, so you're a friend of all the Filipinos in the world. Because you know that
What is the
every
ano, sir?
Filipino. That's
That's
generalization. Okay, you avoid that one in speaking and writing.
okay.
Okay, make sure not to use every or all. You can say most.
Most.
Okay, quantity words, most or some Filipinos, but not all. Hindi mo naman kilala lahat ng Pilipino. Paano mo nasabing lahat? Okay, di ba? O, di ba? Paano mo nasabing lahat? Hindi mo naman kilala lahat ng Pilipino. Baka nga hindi mo kilala lahat ng tao sa Davao. Tapos sinabi mo kanina all all people in
Well,
Davao. Tapos hindi mo naman kilala lahat ng tao sa Davao. Di ba? Iwasan nyo yan ha sa speaking and writing yung generalizations. Iwasan
okay.
nyo yan. So gamit ka ng
Some of
quantity
those
words.
Filipino rin. Some of those
Some,
Filipino.
many, majority, pwede kayong gumamit. Pero wag
Several.
all.
Pero
Oo,
mostly,
kasi
sir, yung, pwede na yung several individuals.
pwede
Or,
several. Oo, pwede na yan. Basta mga quantity words, wag lang yung all.
okay.
Kasi ang
Just
mga
for example,
Filipinos, kilala mo
para
lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas.
generalize mo lahat.
Oo, hindi pwede yung ano.
Well noted.
Okay. O, pero maganda yung speaking test mo. Nandun yung fluency. Okay? Nandun yung fluency. Medyo may konting sablay lang sa fluency sa part 2. Part 2 din. Medyo
Yes,
nag-iisip ka
so,
pa rin sa part 2. Pero okay naman yung speaking test
bigla
mo.
ako dun.
Oo, most likely, halos magkatulad ka ni Wendy doon, mga 6.5. Pwede din siyang umakyat ng 7.
Sige lang, sir.
Okay? Oh, so wala ka ng problema sa
More
speaking.
practice pa.
Sureable na. Oo, sigurado yan. Sigurado yan. Pag nag-practice ka pa, makaka-7 ka or higher.
Sige, sir.
7 or higher. So sa
Malaking
actual
tulong yung
test.
mga videos na binigay mo, sir. Ang
Oh,
laki.
most likely sa actual, baka maka 7.0 or higher ka pa kayo ni Wendy.
Wow.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, good job. Good
Galing
job.
nila.
Oh, galing nila. Pressured na si Ivy. Lagot kayo.
Pressure sa Ivy. Good luck,
Okay,
Ivy.
sige. O, Ivy, ikaw na, Ivy. Last na si Romnick. Ha? At least napakinggan mo na kung paano nila ginawa yung speaking, di ba? Oh, may idea ka na. Alright, may idea ka
May
na.
idea
Okay?
ka. Nag-utal-utal, sir.
Oh, basta okay lang yan. Basta sumagot ka lang. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, basta sumagot lang kayo. Ang importante dyan, pumasa eh, di ba? Ang importante dyan, pumasa. Alright, let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is Mira Ivy M. Holar. My friends call me Ivy, but my first name is coming from my grandmother because I was born in the month of October, and that was also the month of celebrating our Saints Virgin Mary. So that's why Ivy.
Okay, alright. And where are you from?
I'm currently live here at San Juan, Taytay, Rizal, but my hometown is Tacloban City, Leyte, which is located in Region 8. My hometown is very beautiful places because of lots of mountains and beaches. You will meet also there. You meet there also first longest bridge in the Philippines. That's what we call San Juanico Bridge, that connecting Samar and Leyte.
Okay, and what do you do?
As of now, I'm working merchandiser butcher at SM Supermarket for 10 years. My duties and responsibility there is I'm breaking, deboning a pork carcass, weighing, selling, and chopping meat to the customer. I am also using any kind of machine like meat grinding, bonzo machine, and meat slicer.
Okay, that's good. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about computers. Do you use computers?
Not totally, sir, because we're not a computer in our house. We're not enough money to buy a computer.
Mhm.
So I'm not use a computer already.
Okay. So, did you use computers when you were little? When you were small?
Not totally, sir. Not because we don't have a computer in our house.
Mhm.
I'm came a poor family, and my parents cannot buy a computer
Mhm.
because it's what is this, mahal, ano?
Expensive.
Expensive.
Okay, okay. Do people often use computers these days?
Yes, sir. Because of our generation, a lot of children using a computer for their project,
Mhm.
um, uh, a, a lot of games, anything, sir.
Okay. Who's your favorite celebrity?
My favorite celebrity is Rick Yan, because when I was a young, he is my favorite celebrity because I like what she smile, her eyes, and he admire all people.
Okay. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Mm, singer, she is Celine Dion because I like what she sing. I like her all song because I can sing also.
Okay, all right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. Right. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? All right, this will be your topic. You can write notes if you like. Okay, the rest of you, you can think of an answer for the same topic. All right, your 1 minute starts now.
Pwede ako mag-ask ng question, sir? Technology like
Technology. Don't forget the topics in speaking are all general. So if you say technology, kahit anong technology. Technology nakalagay dyan di ba? Lahat ng topics sa speaking test, general talaga yan. Kung nanonood ka ng mga speaking videos, malalaman mo doon, naka-general yung mga topics. So, ikaw na bahalang mag-specify kung meron kang kailangang specify. Okay, so your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Right, remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
I would say the computer. Because I don't know how to use the computer since I was a kid. And no, sir.
Tama na yun, computer eh. So may computer ka na. Explain mo na lang yan.
Ay, sir.
Sige, isipin mo lang,
Hindi ko
computer. Tapos, when did you get it? Di ba? Nakalagay dyan. When did you get it? Kailan mo nakuha? Kaya isipin mo muna kung meron ka ba kasi ang nakalagay dyan sa subtopics, when did you get it? Kailan mo nakuha yung technology, piece of technology. Pwedeng cellphone, technology yung cellphone. Di ba? Maraming technology. Pwede mong gamitin cellphone. Mas madali pa siguro kung cellphone.
Oo nga eh.
Sige, try mo again.
I would say it's a iPhone cell phone. I get this phone is giving of my cousin. Sorry, sir. Ang hirap. Hindi ko mag-gets yung question. Okay na sa amin.
Kung madali lang yung question mo. Kailan mo nakuha? What did you get it for? Bakit mo kinuha yung cellphone? Bakit mo binili yung cellphone? How often ang dali ng mga questions, how often do you use it? How do you feel about it? Di ba? Madali yung question doon. Kukwento mo na lang yan. Sige, example, kailan mo nakuha? Kailan mo nabili? Di ba? Gawa ka lang ng kwento. I bought it last Christmas when I got my 13th month pay, my bonus from work. I bought it because I really need to communicate with my company, with my boss, with my colleagues, with my friends. So I need to chat with them. Di ba? So I can also use it for watching videos, watching movies, and listening to music. Di ba? Ganun lang Gawa ka lang ng kwento. I actually use it every day. If I have time, even if I'm working, I would take a look at my cell phone and use it. Di ba? Gawa ka lang ng kwento dyan. I'm very happy to have such a technology because I'm not left behind by many people. Di ba? Gagawa ka lang ng kwento dyan eh. Di ba? Dali lang. Di ba? Yung topic mo, madali lang. Pinili ko yung topic niya kasi yung mga subtopics, yung mga questions, madadali lang eh. Di ba? Okay, sige, practice pa ha. Practice, Ivy ha. Practice. Okay na yung part 1 mo. Okay naman yung part 1 mo. Doon ka lang sa part 2. Nayari ka sa part 2. Okay?
Kinakabahan kasi ako, sir.
Huwag kang kabahan. Hindi naman kita kakagatin. Ano ka ba? Practice pa naman to. Don't worry. Before ka mag-take ng test, pasasalihin pa kita sa ibang mock test ko. Okay? Para makapag-practice ka pa. Okay? So, as of now, habang hindi ka pa nakapag-book ng test, manood ka ng mga videos ng speaking. Alright? Okay lang ka ba mag-take ng test? Kailan mo plano?
Sa September sana, sir.
Anong September? September first week, second week, kung ganyan?
Third week po.
Third week. Third week. Okay, sige, third week. So message mo lang ako in case na magte-take ka na. Message mo ko para mapasali kita sa ibang ano ko mock test ko. All right?
Yes, sir.
Sige, last one. Si ano na? Romnick?
Yes po, sir.
Sige.
Gabi.
Good evening. Iyon mo yung camera mo para makita yung mukha mo. Ayan, nag-speaking test ka, pakita mo mukha mo para malaman natin yung confidence, di ba? Iba kasi
Tama,
yung
sir.
pag nag-speaking test ka, iba yung naka-off yung camera mo kasi iba yung confidence nun, di ba? Ready na? Huwag ka kabahan. Practice pa naman to. Hindi pa naman to actual. Pero mas maganda na yung dito pa lang, masanay na kayo. Okay,
Right,
dito
sir.
pa lang
Right.
masanay na kayo. Alright, let's start. What's your name, please?
I am Romnick V. De La Fuente. Some people calls me Nick. My mother named me Romnick after the prominent actor Romnick Sarmenta during the time of my birth.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am currently living in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, Philippines. Our city is known as the city in the forest because it's surrounded in mountains and forests. And additionally, Bukidnon is known because of the Kamulan Festival,
Okay.
gathering of our indigenous people, or we call it 7 tribes in province.
All right, that's great. And what do you do?
At the moment, I don't have any work, but I am endeavoring to find a job that will help me grow, specifically in a way that it supports my family needs, particularly to my child.
Okay, that's good. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Okay, let's talk about food. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is kare-kare, beef kare-kare, because when I saw kare-kare, I felt like it's watering, and I imagine the taste already and the smell of peanut butter, and the smooth one and the smooth one, and
Okay.
fresh vegetables of.
All right. Is there any food that you dislike?
The what we call the dinuguan, the intestine in the pork. I really don't like because when I sa when I ate dinuguan, my it's like my foot is what do you call this one, arthritis.
Okay. Okay. What is a common meal in your country?
The common meal in our country is chicken adobo, the delicacy of the every Filipino. Wherever you go, there's adobo in every restaurant. Chicken adobo.
Okay, that's good. Do you have a healthy diet?
As of now, I am planning to have a healthy diet because in our agency, they have a requirements of BMI, the weight, and must be fit with your height.
Okay.
That's why I'm about to diet. Maybe,
Okay. What's your opinion about fast food?
fast food is known as the killing food. It's because uh, people are in hurry. Uh, they they often go to fast food so that uh, so that they don't so that they don't need to cook. Uh, and for me, fast food is not unhealthy of our.
Mm. Okay, that's great. Let's move on to part 2 of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay, the rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. This is a very common topic in the IELTS test. All right, that's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. It's a very nice topic. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. And there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
The meal that usually unusual is the boiled egg. Cause I don't really like a boiled egg. I prefer to scramble it and we eat it in our in dining table with my family, with my daughter and wife. It's very unusual because there's a lot of uh, food in the fridge, but they prefer to cook egg, and which is their favorite is boiled, and I don't really like boiled egg. It's because when I ate boiled egg, I I my head is aching. I don't know why, and maybe that's a maybe that's a uh, maybe that's uh,
Mhm.
sir.
Okay, okay. Oo. Okay na yung part 1 mo. Okay na yung part 1. Okay, dito ka rin na naman tinamaan sa part 2. Part 2. Okay. Okay, sabi ko sa
Naintindihan ko na
inyo,
tuloy.
Hindi.
sabi ko sa inyo, practice talaga kayo sa part 2, lalo na sa part 2. Okay? Sa
Sir.
part 2 kasi, unusual meal. Yung boiled egg kasi, hindi kasi unusual yung boiled egg. Kasi yung
Okay,
boiled egg,
sir.
lahat kasi kung makain ng boiled egg, kahit saan kang lupalop ng mundo, may kumakain
Kaya nga,
ng
sir.
boiled egg eh. Hindi siya unusual. Ano ba yung mga unusual? Example,
Balik.
yung mga, ano ba yun? Yung mga daga, paki.
Yung mga exotic
O,
food
ganyan,
po.
di ba? O, unusual
Kaya nga,
meal. O, yun, dapat yung sinagot mo.
Hindi siya ba
Unusual
consider
talaga
sa
siya. Yung mga,
breakfast, lunch, and dinner, sir?
ano,
Parang
no?
something, hindi ba siya ma-consider as parang kung for me, it's just like, I'm not a morning guy,
Oh.
and I used to eat my first meal of the day is around 10 o'clock. Something just like that, sir.
Unusual
Parang,
meal kasi, meal that you
oh,
had, meal. So,
Unusual, hindi
pagkain.
siya usual.
particular.
Pagkain
Para
siya.
siyang biyan.
Yung parang ayaw
Ah,
mo
pag-
pagkaan.
Pagkain kasi siya. Okay? Kaya sabi diyan nakalagay, when did you eat it? So, pagkain talaga siya. Okay? Where did you eat? O where? Saan? So, pagkain talaga siya. Yung, ano talaga siya. yung unusual
Ganun
talaga.
pala ka.
Peculiar talaga, di ba?
Yeah,
Yung mga daga,
peculiar.
o. Diba? Peculiar talaga. Mahilig kumain sa daga si Ivy, ganun, o. Di ba? Oh, medyo yan na. Ito, lumabas to dati. Itong topic na to, lumabas to dati. Mm. Yung estudyante ko naman, ang sinagot niya, yung ano ba yun, yung parang ano tawag dun sa uod dun sa mga ano? Yung uod sa mga
sa
puno.
mga kahoy.
Oh, ano man tawag dun mga yun?
Napanood ko kay na
Milk,
January,
milk,
yung
ano?
cockroach.
Oh, yung cockroach kay January. Oh, cockroach din. Saan ba yun sa kanila? Sa cockroach. Saan ba yun niya kinain? China pala, China.
China.
China? Oh, sa Hong Kong. Oh, Hong Kong yun,
China.
Hong Kong. Oo, doon. Cockroach naman yun sa kanya. Di ba? Oh, di ba? Ganyan, ganyan mga sagot. Di ba? Isipin mo, kakain ka ng cockroach. Buisit, di ba? pero yung cockroach naman yung pala, yung mga ano, yung mga, parang yung binubuhay ba? Binubuhay nila. Parang alaga din ba? Mga ganon. Yung mga cockroach.
Cultured
Cultured,
cockroach.
mga cultured. Oo, cultured.
Nawala
Cockroach.
siya.
Di ba? Oh, hinahalo daw nila yun sa ano, hinahalo sa soup. Hinahalo daw sa soup, pang ano daw yun, para healthy daw yun eh. Di ba? Visit
Of
healthy
course,
cockroach.
China. A lot of exotic from China.
Di ba? Healthy.
Covid origin.
Visit, di ba? Healthy din. Healthy na yung cockroach. Okay, so
Origin of
Romnick,
COVID.
baka tinamaan ka sa part 2.
Kaya nga,
Hindi ka
sir.
naman babagsak, pero yun nga, ayusin nyo sa part 2 talaga kasi 40% kasi yung part 2. Okay, so
Plano
Ngayon
Ivy,
ko
po
na
ba, sir?
naintindihan yung question, sir.
ha?
Ngayon ko na naintindihan yung question.
Ngayon mo na, pag nataranta ka kasi, hindi mo talaga maintindihan, kaya dapat kalmado. O, nataranta ka kasi siyempre pag tingin mo, hindi mo na maintindihan kasi yung utak mo lumilipad na. O, di ba? Parang high
Kaka-mental
na.
block kasi, sir.
Oo, high na high ka kasi eh. Ayan, sige. Okay, pero naka-record naman to. Panoorin nyo kasi maganda yung speaking ni Wendy tsaka ni Marvin.
Aba.
Okay?
Oo nga, sir.
Maganda yung speaking nila. Masyado kasi na-pressured kasi magagaling yung nauna eh. Diba?
Kaya
Dapat
nga.
pala ako na lang nauna, sir.
Oo, dapat pag ganyan kasi mga
Mas maganda
practice.
yung ano eh, question
Mas
sa
maganda
number
yung
1.
nauuna. Mas maganda talaga yung nauuna. Okay? Para pag tapos ka na, di magre-relax ka na, makikinig ka na lang sa natitira. Ganun dapat talaga yung kahit ako, kahit saan, gusto ko talaga lagi ako nauuna. Pag ganyan. Para tapos na kaagad, 'di ba? Pag tapos ka na, wala na yung kaba mo. Oh, 'di ba? O pwede ka na mangantsaw, kantsawan mo na lang sila. Ganun dapat. Kantsawan. Okay, 'di ba? Magaling si Wendy tsaka si Marvin. Malamang sa actual test baka maka 7.0 tong mga to or higher. Si Marvin tsaka si Wendy baka maka 7.0 tong mga ito.
Practice pa, sir.
Oh, yan ha. So practice pa ha, Wendy, Ivy tsaka Romnick, practice pa ha.
So,
Wala
po.
namang problema yan eh kasi may ideas naman kayo, medyo na may mental block lang. Mental block lang. Okay, nakakasagot naman kasi kayo sa part 1 eh. So ibig sabihin nun, talagang makakasagot kayo kaya lang medyo kabado. Iba kasi yung writing sa speaking. Sa writing kasi, makapag-isip ka na mabuti, magsusulat ka pa. Sa speaking kasi, dire-diretso eh. 'Di ba? Impromptu kasi eh. Alright, yan ha. So, good luck. Sino magti-take na ng test? Sino magti-take na ng test?
Sir, ano pa? Schedule pa from third week. Same with
Third week kayo, third week.
meron pa.
Third week. Okay, si ano rin, third week din si Ivy. Okay, hindi naman kasi ako worried
Sir,
sa ano, yung sa
wala bang
speaking
scam
test niya.
sa ano, sir? IDP pag sa ano? Walang scam pag nagpa-book?
Walang ano, walang.
Scam.
Ba't may scam?
Sa Facebook ba?
Website. Ba't ka sa Facebook
Nakaka-
mag-ano? Sa website ka mag-book. Wag ka mabook sa...
Hindi ko siya alam eh.
Uy, hindi mo alam. Discuss natin yan sa first meeting. Nandun lahat ng discussion. Pati yung mga websites. Nandun yun. Nandun lahat yan. Sige, sisend ko yung website ng IDP. Diniscuss ko yan Yan, IDP. Send ko na
Dito
lang
kasi
dyan.
sir, malapit lang dun sa namin location.
Malapit
Mac
lang. Oo. Sige. Sisend ko na lang dyan yung link. Yan.
Sabi ng kaibigan ko sa Facebook daw.
Ng Facebook. Facebook ka dyan. Ang gagawin mo sa Facebook. Ang gagawin mo sa Facebook.
Meron kasi doon IDP sa Facebook lumalabas.
May lumalabas doon. Nag-advertise yan sila kasi.
Tapos may
Advertisement kasi.
nakalagay na
Saan
book.
ka ba? Sa Manila ka?
Opo.
Dito ito na. Nasisend ko dyan sa group chat. Ayan yung IDP Manila. Sa website ka mag-book. Ayan. Nasend ko na dyan
Opo sir, thank you po.
Oo, sige. So, mag-send lang ako ng homework. Kaya nag-send pa ako ng additional homework. So, practice talaga kayo. Para masanay talaga kayo. So, kahit hindi pa kayo nakapag-take ng test, tapusin nyo yung lahat ng homework. Okay, tapusin lahat ng homework Send nyo sa akin yung mga answers nyo. Send ko pa rin sa inyo yung answer key, syempre. Kasi part pa yan ng homework natin. Tapos, bago kayo mag-take ng test, 1 week before your test, i-message nyo ko para alam ko na nakabook na kayo, para alam ko kung kailan yung test nyo. Tapos, mapasali ko kayo sa mga mock test ko. Okay? Ganyan kasi ako dito, pinapasali ko pa sa mock test para siguradong pasado. Yan, additional homework. Tapos, reading. Ano ba yung last na reading nyo? 22, 24, 23, at saka 22. Ayan. Okay, hindi naman kasi ako worried sa sa speaking nyo. Pero kailangan lang natin mo-practice. Worried ako dun sa reading. Reading lang talaga. Kita nyo yung mga reading? Di ba? Matataas yung scores nila sa practice. Maabot ng 24, 25, 26. Nakaka-30 pa yung iba. Pero sa actual, ang band score nila 4. Nagiging 4 na lang, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo kasi iba na yung actual eh. Kakabahan ka na dun eh.
Naka-pressure pa.
Pressured ka na dun eh. Kakabahan ka na dun.
Kasi may malaking orasan daw po.
Diba? May timer, 1 oras. Talagang kakabahan ka dun. Di ba? Mag-iiba na yung hangin dun. Ihip ng hangin dun. Sa practice kasi walang pressure kasi napapractice ka pa lang eh. Pagdating sa actual, wala, nakakabahan ka na. Yung iba dun, ang nakuha ang band score, 4 lang, 4.5. Pero yung sa practice, matataas ang scores nun. Isipin mo, yung mga scores nun, nakaka-30 pa yun sila. Nakaka-30, 33. Pagdating sa actual, 4.5 lang yung score. Yung 4.5, na lang yun. 19 to 20, 19 to 22. 19 to 22 lang yun, points. Di ba? Kaya doon ako word. Hindi ako word sa writing nyo saka sa speaking. Doon talaga sa sa reading. Yun talaga. Doon talaga kayo tatamaan sa reading. Okay? Practice lang May questions pa? Wendy, may question ka, Wendy? Hindi pa ito magti-take si Wendy ng test eh. Nagpa-practice lang to eh. Hindi ka pa. October. Okay. Pero ano iti-take mo?
General muna.
General muna. Mag-ano ka muna, di ba? Lipat ka muna. Lipat ka muna. General ka muna. Pagdating mo doon, pwede ka na mag-academic. Saka ka na mag-medtech, di ba? Medtech ka, di ba? Saka ka na mag-medtech. Pwede ka naman mag-tech kung gusto mo sa UK, pwede. Mas madali sa UK, mas marami doon eh. Mas maraming kailangan doon. Marami din kailangan naman sa US. Okay, US tsaka usually yung mga medtechs, mga nurse natin, US tsaka UK. US tsaka UK. Pero karamihan sa mga nurses natin, pag nagpunta sa UK, caregiver muna. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Kaya yung mga estudyante ko na dito sa Pilipinas ng mga nurses, pagdating sa UK, caregiver. Pagdating doon na sila nag-a-apply ng nurse. Natatawa nga ako, yung isa kong estudyante na nandoon na sa UK na. Nurse, siya, caregiver pa siya doon. Kasi yung jowa niya kasi British, nandoon na British. Natatawa ako. Pag nagkaklase kami, kasi ginagala siya. So, pupunta sila sa France, ganyan. Oh. Tapos magkaklase kami, one-on-one kasi kami dalawa. nasa, nasa France siya. Di ba? O BTS, ginagala siya. O libre. Libre. Okay? O malay mo. Malay mo. Okay, sige. May asawa na si Wendy. Hindi na pwede ito si Wendy. Ha? Hindi na
Single, sir.
pwede. Single ka pa ba?
Wala siya, sir.
Ha?
Opo.
Single ka pa?
Opo.
Niloko mo kami.
Oh, hindi ako nagsabi na may asawa.
Sige.
Okay, tama na. Ano,
Sige
hindi
na.
siya related sa...
Nahiya si Wendy. Nahiya si Wendy. Sige. Sige, apply ka muna, caregiver. Yung isa ko estudyante, mag-apply daw siya muna ng caregiver. Tapos, ano siya nurse din siya Nurse din siya. Sali siya sa batch 202. So, sa Saturday sila mag-start. Sa Israel din siya. Okay? Sige guys. Good luck ha, good luck. Romnick, message mo ako pag mag-take ka na ha, Ivy tsaka Marvin.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, message nyo ako pag nakapag-book na kayo. Okay, sige. Good luck guys.
Thank you.
You have a good day. Okay, sige. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay.